What is one thing that has increased auto accidents by 30% since the year 2000? Using a cell phone while driving. I'm going to explain why you should never use a phone and drive at the same time. I want more people to be aware of the danger and effects of driving and using a cell phone can cause. Not only can you seriously injure yourself, but other drivers, pedestrians, and their families as well. First, I will discuss how dangerous it is to constantly use your phone and drive on the road. Next, I'll explain why even Bluetooth devices are not safe to have a conversation of. Finally, I'll explain how you can hurt multiple people while using your phone and driving. First, let me begin by explaining how dangerous it is to use your phone and constantly drive. It has been well proven that cell phone usage impairs a driver's performance. These studies show over the U.S. 100 million drivers use their phones while operating a motor vehicle. This makes them more likely to miss stoplights and street signs while on the road. This study is from David L. Strayer, Cell Phone-Induced Driver Distraction, Academic Search Complete, Web. Other studies show that driving and using a cell phone in any way is extremely dangerous. The driver does not have 100% of his attention on the road, and the cell phone calls and usage disrupts his driving. This is by CK, a driving distraction, Gold Reference Center, Web. Next, I'll discuss why even Bluetooth devices are not safe enough to have a conversation. Hands-free conversations have the same effects as a hands-held conversation. Both have the same percentage drop in the driver's performance. Bluetooth devices block off sounds in the area like fire trucks, ambulances, and trains that the driver may not be able to hear. The conversation itself is the distraction, although a conversation with the passenger is not the same. The passenger is usually aware of the area and the environment like a driver. Unlike the person at the end of a cell phone conversation who cannot see or hear your environment. This is from Robert Rosenberg, The Problem of Hands-Free Dashboard Cell Phones, Academic Search Complete, Web. Also, phone and accident data show similar results for the drivers. Cell phone-induced driving has also been compared to drunk driving. Although drunk driving has caused more accidents, the cell phone-induced driving is rising due to more drivers using their phones. Finally, I'll explain how you can hurt multiple people while using your phone and driving on the road. With about 1/3 of the U.S. traffic accidents are caused by a driver using the phone. That's roughly 1.6 million accidents each year. Also, 8 out of 10 Americans use their phone while driving, which causes more accidents in the road. A study from 2010 showed 31,642 fatal motor vehicle crashes. From those crashes, there were 33,479 deaths. This shows more deaths than actual accidents. This is from Why Cell Phone Conversations Distract Drivers, Harvard Mental Health Academic Search Complete, Web. Also, pedestrians are also being into the accidents. In the same study from 2010, 1,869 people were killed, and they were just innocent bystanders. They were not driving or in the car at all, but still involved with the accident. Now the family has to live on without seeing that certain loved one and never again be able to speak or feel their presence ever again. So not only is the innocent pedestrian suffering, but their family. This is from David Strayer and William Johnston, Driven to Distraction, Academic Search Complete, Web. I hope after viewing this presentation, more people will restrain themselves from using a cell phone while operating a motor vehicle. I want you to think about all the disasters and effects that can happen once you hit the road and start using a phone. The more we all stop, the less accidents that will occur in the U.S. Together, we can promote safer driving habits and laws so the U.S. accidents can go down. Overall, having a conversation while on the road is extremely dangerous and not worth taking anyone's life.